Talk about silver linings. It is here. This is awesome. The YouTube Silver Play Button Award for reaching 100K subscribers. Thanks to all of you. In the light of everything going on, this is a great boost, and we're so thankful to everyone that helped us get here. And let's open it up. I am so excited. Ooh. We have a letter from Susan Wojcicki. From the CEO of YouTube, congratulating us on our 100,000 subscribers to our channel. Thanks, Susan. My mom's name is Susan. Great to meet you. And look at this plaque. That's a beauty, folks. And again, thanks to all of you. It says presented to Digital Goja for passing 100,000 subscribers, YouTube. And I remember seeing a bunch of content creators that have received this 100,000 subscriber plaque, and I just didn't think that I would be standing right here holding it in front of the camera. Now I started behind the camera filming these videos, and now I'm standing in front of the camera as the host of a channel with over 100,000 subscribers. This is fantastic, and I'm really amazed. And just looking at this plaque is motivating me just to create even better content for y'all out there. I'm gonna hang this up right here in the store for all of you to see when you come visit our showroom here in Miami, whenever things get back to normal. So what do you think of this award? This is as much yours as it is ours, and whenever it's safe to open again, we invite you to come check it out for yourself. We always appreciate meeting our subscribers, and as always, we publish new content weekly. So subscribe to our channel if you aren't part of that 100K, and tap the bell icon to get notified about the latest videos. See you in the next video.